Some news just coming in. Sunrisers Hyderabad player T. Natarajan has tested positive for COVID-19. While the player has isolated himself from the rest of the squad, he's currently asymptomatic. The medical team has identified the below-mentioned 6 close contacts of the player who have been placed in isolation. Vijay Shankar, a player; Vijay Kumar, the team manager; Shyam Sundar, physiotherapist; Anjana Bannan, a doctor; Tushar Ketkar, logistics manager; Periyasamy Ganesan, the net bowler. Rahul Rawat is getting us more details on that front. Rahul, just take us to the kind of precautions that were taken and what are the authorities saying in terms of testing the others also who would have come in contact with the player?
Well, that's right, Sneha. Firstly, all the players were tested early morning today, and the reports that have come in, they are negative for everybody except T. Natarajan. He is asymptomatic. He is positive for COVID. The 6 players, in fact 6 persons, were identified as his close contacts, and Natarajan, besides Natarajan, Vijay Shankar happens to be the only player who was among the close contacts for Natarajan. So all those 6 people have been isolated, and the match between Delhi Capitals and Sunrisers Hyderabad this evening will go ahead as scheduled. In fact, BCCI office bearers were in a huddle along with the IPL Governing Council members, and they've decided that the match will go ahead. Absolutely, this was a major scare considering what happened in England, because after Ravi Shastri tested positive, his close contacts also turned out to be positive one after the other, and the players had to decide whether to go ahead with that 5th test match or not. What they chose was, it was too difficult, and it was a little risky at that point in time to go ahead with the test match. So they left England and came to UAE. Of course, they were all subjected to the quarantine, the mandatory 6-day quarantine in UAE. And thereafter, Natarajan, of course, was injured for quite some time. He had joined, in fact, he had missed quite a few matches for India also. And today, when he tested positive, it was a major scare. And the match between Delhi Capitals and Sunrisers Hyderabad was also under threat, whether it will go ahead as scheduled or not. Remember, Sneha, the first phase of this season of the IPL had to be postponed only because of this reason, when Varun Chakravarti from Kolkata Knight Riders had tested positive. Thereafter, one after the other, a lot of players from different various franchisees also tested positive. So this also was a huge scare. Last year also, when the IPL was staged in UAE at the same particular venue, a lot of more than 10 cases turned out to be positive.
That continues to be a big concern, and there's a scare as far as the Sunrisers team is also concerned. Rahul, thanks for getting us up to speed with all of those developments.